Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome to my channel. This is Brad with Being Chill. Today we're going to have a video about the Bose Sleepbuds II. Now these are going to be new headphones designed to help you get a good night's sleep. They're going to use noise masking technology, which is going to prevent you from hearing the noises that may disturb you while you're trying to sleep. And before we get into that, I do want to ask you guys, if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos like this every week, Monday through Friday, so make sure you check out my other videos if you like this content. Now let's jump right into it. The first thing I want to talk about here is going to be the pricing. So we're going to see these are going to run about $250 US, and they are available for pre-order right now on Bose's website. However, they will not begin shipping until October 6th, which is just around the corner. Now, if you're a little apprehensive about buying something like this, they do have a 90-day try it risk-free policy. So if you try it and in 90 days you don't like it, you can return it, and they have mentioned that there is no restocking fee. And you can stand behind Bose's customer support, because in the past they did release the original Sleepbuds, and those had a problem with the battery, and so Bose offered the opportunity for all customers to return them no matter how long ago they purchased them, for a full refund of the price they paid for them. Not that anybody was anticipating it here, but Bose did openly state that there is no subscription associated with this product. You'll simply download the Bose Sleep app and have access to all the features of this product. Now, when you do buy this product, inside the box you're going to find two Sleepbuds 2s, obviously, and then you're going to find a travel/charging case, you're going to find a USB cable, and you're going to find 3 ear tips which fit different size ears. If we take a deeper look at the battery life on this device, we're going to see that each Sleepbud has 10 hours of battery life, and then you're going to get 3 additional charges from the charging case, up to 40 hours of battery life total. It is worth noting that the original Sleepbuds offered 16 hours of battery life and then 32 hours total with the charging case. So we are seeing a reduction here, but this is likely to avoid the same battery issues that they ran into with the previous model of the device, which they had to discontinue. Now, we are going to see it take about 3 hours to charge the case to full and 6 hours to charge each bud to full. They do have a smart alarm function which works separately from your phone, so if your phone dies, your earbuds can wake you up with a preset sound or whatever you choose. So if you don't have the full 10 hours of battery life, you may run into issues there. Another reason I think that 10 hours is cutting it a little close, for a couple of reasons. First, if you forget to charge it for the full 6 hours, you're automatically cutting it really close to the 8-hour recommended sleep time. And then battery degradation will affect the device's ability to hold charge after a year or two, or however long you use the device, depending on how heavily you use it. It might not be able to hold the charge that it had when you first bought it. And I wonder how long it's going to take before the device is unable to hold a charge at max capacity for even 8 hours of sleep. So that is another thing to watch out for. Now, they have stated that they are using a nickel metal hydride battery in these, which is different from the ones used in the original Sleepbuds. So they are taking care of that, and they do say that these are better, and they really don't want to have any more battery issues with these like they did with the previous ones. Taking a closer look at some of the features offered on this device, first I want to talk about whether or not this device has noise canceling. It does not have noise canceling. Instead, it uses something they call noise masking. Now, to me, this just sounds like fancy marketing speak for playing a sound to cover up the sounds around you. I don't really know if Bose has any special technology here that's really going to cancel out sounds any more than just your standard noisemaker or your standard pair of headphones playing these same sounds in the Bose Sleep app. Now, they have stated that they have specially curated these sounds in the Bose Sleep app to mask the sounds that you would hear while sleeping properly without disturbing you. So I think really that's what you're going to be paying for here. You're going to be paying for these pre-selected tracks that Bose has made and added to the Sleep app. Now, I'm sure many of you are wondering whether or not you can upload your own sound files to this device. The answer is no. You can only select 10 tracks at a time to upload to this device when you're sleeping. So you're going to have to pick and choose out of the 40 or so that Bose offers. There are 14 noise masking tracks which help avoid disturbances. There are 15 naturescapes which are supposed to aid in relaxation. And then there are only 10 tranquilities which are meant to lower tension and stress. So you're going to be able to pick 10 of those out of that list, and you're going to be able to load them up to your device, and then you're going to be able to play those while you're sleeping. Some new improvements we're going to see with this Sleepbuds design versus the older generation model are going to be the addition of magnets inside the charging case, which are going to make it easier to place them in to get a full charge. We're also going to see better ear tips paired with better audio drivers, which are going to allow for better passive noise masking capabilities of the device. And lastly, we're going to see a new anti-friction surface applied to the earbuds themselves. which are going to prevent weird noises from coming into your ear whenever you rub them up against your pillow or something when you're trying to sleep. Other noteworthy features we're going to see on this device are the ability to set a sleep timer, so you can play the sounds for a predetermined amount of time and then stop so you don't have to listen to them all night long, which also will save you battery life if you have an alarm set that you don't want to miss. Additionally, you're going to be able to adjust the volume of the sounds in your ears if you want to lower them, that way you don't miss important disturbances like people in your house or pets or crying babies. Whatever it might be, you're going to have the option to adjust the sound to a level that you find desirable when you're sleeping. Lastly, if you do get a phone call while you have these in, you will get a notification noise in your ears. However, to answer the phone call itself, you're going to have to take the earbuds out of your ears and put the phone up to your ear and take the call normally. Lastly, the Sleepbuds II are sweat and water resistant, so if you're a sweaty sleeper like me, rest assured that they won't be damaged when you're sleeping. Additionally, for what it's worth, Bose did conduct a sleep study. I'll post it down below if you want to do more research, but they have said that 80% of people in the study, of about 55 people, said that they had overall improved sleep quality. So I'm a little skeptical. I don't personally think that I'll be buying this product. In conclusion, I really just don't feel like this product is worth the $250 they're asking for. There's a lot of wireless headphones out there on the market that could compete with this product, and those products are not going to restrict you to only using the Bose Sleep app and the sounds that you're going to find in there. So you're going to have the option to listen to your own music, your own sounds, your own audiobooks, whatever it is you want to listen to when you're sleeping, you're going to have the option to. And you can even have noise canceling in some of those other headphones, whereas with these, you're just so limited and the price is so high. I really just don't see this being worth the money. Now, there are probably use cases out there, people will probably disagree. However, I think there's people who are in the minority, or they just have too much money to spend. So let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if I'm wrong. Let me know if you agree with me. And make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you like this content. I upload new videos every week, Monday through Friday. Make sure to check out my other videos. Peace!